children, good morning. What did you learn in the last class, children? Animals lesson explanation completed. Okay, now I am going to tell you about activity book. Activities. Children, take out your activity books. Open page number 10. Okay, see here children, animals lesson. Color the animals and name them. See here children, what is this animal? This is a tiger. Write here tiger and color at home neatly. Next, look here children. This bird name vulture. Okay, tiger and vulture. Color neatly at home. Next, page number 11. See here children, identify the animals by observing the patterns on their skin. Identify this skin pattern. Zebra, right here zebra. Next, elephant skin, right here elephant. Next, leopard skin, right here leopard. Next, crocodile, right here crocodile name. Next, look here, this is a tiger skin. Next, giraffe skin, snake skin, deer skin, zebra, elephant, leopard, crocodile, tiger, giraffe, snake, deer. Next, identify the hidden animals in this picture. Right here, this is an elephant. Right here, elephant. Next, horse. Right here, horse. Dog. Cat, right cat. Rat. Next, chimpanzee. Right here, chimpanzee. Turn the page. See here, these animals are missing some parts. Paste the missing parts, stickers and name the animals. Children, missing parts, stickers given in this book last page. Okay, collect and paste here. First one, this is a rabbit, elephant, dragonfly, rhino, crab, deer, spider, peacock, cock, tiger, buffalo, parrot. Okay. Look here. Observe the body coverings of the given animals and put the assigned numbers in the respective categories. See here. 1. Polar bear 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. Ostrich 5, monkey 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. See here, feathers. Feathers 5, 12, 14. 5 ostrich, 12 eagle, 14 crane. 8 fur, 1, 6, 11. Scales 2, 7, 9, 15. Shell 4, 10, 13. Tortoise. Next, snail. Okay. Next, shell. Skin 3, 8, 16. Write these numberings here. Feathers, hair, fur, scales, shell, skin. Turn the page. How are animals useful to us? Match the following. Okay. See here children. Oyster, ox, honeybee, egg, parrot, milk, honey, bullock, sweater. Next, cow, sheep, hen. Oyster, barrel, ox, cart, honeybee, honey, cow, milk, sheep, sweater, hen, egg. Next, connect the dots and find out the sea animals which can be trained to entertain people. Color the animals and name them. First, join the dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Seal. Next, dolphin. Join the dots. Dolphin. Write the names. Seal, dolphin. Children, color these two pictures neatly at home. Next, put O for oviparous and V for viviparous animals. Right here. This is a oviparous. O, V, O, V, V, O, V, O. Next, marks S for scavengers and D for decomposers. Right here. Decomposers. Write D, scavenger S, decomposer D, scavenger S. Next, S, D, S, D. Turn the page. Next, complete the life cycle of frog and butterfly with the help of the stickers. Stickers given in this book, last page. Collect the stickers and paste here. See here, adult frog, eggs, tadpole, tadpole with legs, froglet. Next, adult butterfly, egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa. Okay? Paste the stickers neatly, children. Next, put H for herbivores, C for carnivores and O for omnivores. See here, O, H, C, O, H, O, H, H. Next, C, H, C, O. Okay? Activities completed, children. Now, I am going to tell you about workbook exercises. Take out your workbooks. Open page number 10. Animals lesson workbook. Write the names of the given animals in their respective box. Okay. Write here the names: domestic animals, wild animals and aquatic animals. Next, see here. This is a lion. Okay. Next, ox, dolphin, bear, crocodile, goat, octopus, rhino, donkey, deer, pig, jellyfish, sheep, starfish, giraffe, shark, horse, leopard, tiger, hen, tortoise, eagle, cat, butterfly, ostrich, fish, kangaroo, duck, zebra, buffalo. Right here, first one, domestic animals. Ox, goat, donkey, pig, sheep, horse, hen, cat, butterfly, buffalo. Next, wild animals: lion, bear, rhino, deer, giraffe, leopard, tiger, eagle, ostrich, kangaroo, zebra. Next, aquatic animals: dolphin, crocodile, octopus, OCTOPUS, jellyfish, starfish, blue whale, tortoise, fish, duck. Okay, duck, water animal and domestic animal also. Next, page number 11. How are animals different from plants? Plants make their own food. Animals depend on plants and other animals for food. Plants grow throughout their life. Animals grow for certain period. Plants cannot move from one place to another place. Animals can move from one place to another place. Okay? Plants make their own food. Animals depend on plants and other animals for food. Plants grow throughout their life. Animals grow for certain SATAIN period. Plants cannot move from one place to another place. Animals can move from one place to another place. Okay, next one. Give examples of animals with the following body coverings. Skin: buffalo, horse, cow. Hair or fur: sheep, goat, dog. Scale: snake, fish, crocodile. Shell: snail, oyster, tortoise. Feather: parrot, crow, parrot, crow, eagle. Next, name these famous cartoon animal characters. Okay, you know children, cartoon animal characters. You like these characters? Okay, Mickey Mouse. This is a Mickey Mouse. Donald Duck. Tom. Next, Scooby Doo. Next, Tom and Jerry. Okay, Winnie the Pooh, Nemo, Garfield. Okay. Next, give examples of animals with visible external ears and invisible external ears. Visible external ears: cat, dog, sheep, goat, rabbit. Invisible external ears: hen, duck, parrot, crow. Okay, turn the page. How are these animals useful to us? Normally, the dogs are very useful for us because they are loyal as well as also help to catch thieves. Normally, the dogs are very useful for us because they are loyal and nammakamayinavi as well as also help to catch thieves. Next, cow, ox. This is a oxen. Oxen are used for flowing, for transport, for thrashing grains by trampling, and for powering machines that grind grain. Okay. Hen. Chickens provide two sources of food frequently consumed by humans. Chickens have a great usefulness to human. Next, sheep provide us with food and fiber. Sheep provide meat called lamb or mutton and fiber that is called wool. W-O-L, wool. Next, horse. Some horses draw carts and carriages, flow the field and carry loads. Next, known as the sheep of the desert, camels have been used for transporting goods across the desert for thousands of years. Next, snakes. They can keep pests such as rats and mice in checks. Snakes can be useful in controlling rat population. Okay, children. Next, true or false? State whether the following statements are true or false. The zoo is a natural habitat for animals. False. Ants and bees exhibit division of labor. True. Decomposers are bigger in size than scavengers. False. Cooking gas can be produced from cattle dung. True. Hyenas are herbivores. False. False, true, false, true, false. Next, where do we find these animals generally? Honeybee, penguin, camel, giraffe, dog, eagle, sky, tundra, desert, forest, high, village. Okay, honeybee, hive, penguin, tundra, camel, desert, giraffe, forest, dog, village, eagle, sky. Next, fill in the blanks. Snakes can sense sound through skin, which their bodies can pick. The number of vultures on the earth is 9. Earthworms add nutrients to the soil. Blue Cross and PETA are established to work for the welfare of animals. The animals which are no longer living on the earth are termed extinct animals. EXTINCT animals. Next, animals, some are imaginary, had played very important roles in some of the movies. Observe the pictures and pick up the corresponding name of the movies from the given list. See here children: Jurassic Park, Jaws, Life of Pi, King Kong, Kung Fu Panda, next Godzilla, Anaconda, Narnia, Jungle Book, Ice Age, next Madagascar, Happy Feet. See here children, first one Happy Feet, Jungle Book, okay, Kung Fu Panda, next Madagascar, Jurassic Park, Life of Pi, PI, next one Anaconda, King Kong, Narnia. Okay, write neatly children. Next, give examples for oviparous and viviparous animals. Right here: hen, parrot, duck, crocodile. For example, oviparous. Next, woman, sheep, goat, dog. Viviparous examples. Next, all the animals shown in this picture have one thing in common. Identify the animals and the common thing. Dog, cat, rabbit. Dog, cat, rabbit. Ears, common thing, ears. Answer the following questions. Why are animals important to us? There are a number of reasons why animals are important to human beings. The main reason is that animals benefit us personally, socially, and economically. Okay, next, second question. How are the feeding habit of a carnivores and a scavengers similarly and different? Carnivores and scavengers both feed on the flesh of other animals. However, this is a HOWEVER. However, carnivores hunt their prey, whereas scavengers do not kill other animals. They own breed dead animals. Okay, breed dead animals. Already dead animals. Okay, children, ALREADY, already. They own already dead animals. Next, third one. How do animals help farmers to grow crops? Animals help plant reproduction by helping spread plant, okay, pollen and seeds. Animals manure contains many nutrients that plants can use to grow. Farmers use fence to keep out unwanted animals. Next, what is meant by a habitat? Why do animals need habitats? The natural home or environment of an animals, plants or other organism. For animals, that means everything it needs to find and gather food, select a mate, and successfully reproduce. Okay, next. Insect colonies are the best examples of social life among animals. How? Social insect and insect that lives in colonies and manifests group integration, divisions of labor and overlap of generations. Sixth one, how should we treat animals? Animals should be treated with kindness and love. They can act as great companions in our life. Okay, children. Animals lesson, explanation, activity book and workbook exercises completed. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.